So friends, we have seen that an example of how to use $valid, $dirty and $pristine for validation in AngularJS. In this session we will see how to perform validation through class. So as you can see that here is my program which I have written earlier. So here what I will do, I will add some styles. Based on that styles, I will get some changes whenever some kind of validation or some states will occur. So let's create a style tag. So under this style tag, I will give input states and form states styles, and you will be able to see that how this would affect my form. So let's make a style for input dot ng dirty, background color is equal to yellow. Save this. So let's run this program and check how it is working. Launch in Chrome. So here whenever I will edit anything, I will change anything on my text box, so it will display the background, it will set the background color to yellow. So let's do some changes. Oh, nothing happens. Okay, we have to write it like this: input dot then my state. So hopefully it will work now. Refresh this. Yeah, it's working. Okay, so here what happens is when I'm changing the control, when I'm writing something, so it is setting that background color to yellow. So this is how the style is affecting my form state. Okay, my form state and my input state. So this was the example for dirty state. Let's make some another changes. So what I have written here, that is touched. So let's use this input dot ng touched, input dot ng touched. We'll give same style to here, that is background color is equal to cyan. Cool. So now what happened? So this is the style which is provided by ng dirty, and since there is a touched element fire, so that's why they became cyan color. Same will be happen here. First my ng dirty background would be applicable on this control. The moment I will go out of this control, so it will count that as a touched input element, and it will change this state or this background color from yellow to cyan. Just click somewhere outside this box. So here you can see it has been changed to background color cyan. So this is all about input state. How do we apply styles on input states based on input states? Let's make a style which will affect my form state. So let's add some styles like form dot ng pristine, cool. Now write background color, set it to pink. Okay, save this and now run this program. So you can see the background color is set to pink. So now I am writing, the background color is gone. ng pristine, you can see here that I have used ng pristine. As a result, this happens. What happens is this button becomes enable when I perform any edit operation on any of the controls of my form. So this happens to the ng pristine, the form element, the state is applied to the form. So friends, we have seen that how to perform validation through class as an example, and in our next session we will see how to perform validation through directives.